It's a bull.
But we're talking about zodiac signs. Well, I will join you. Don't worry.
I'm a Pisces.
That's cool.
I know, it's
Yay,
awesome.
we have more people in the game, so now I can scare them.
It's because you got into a different server.
Yeah, this is a new video. That video didn't exist. Who's Kitten Girl?
I've never heard of her, so she doesn't exist.
I'm gonna ask someone if they want to be my son. Do you want to be my son?
Just randomly go up to a person. You are now my son, whether you like it or not. You are being forced into this. You are not getting paid or anything. You are just now my son.
My son is Billy Bob.
Billy Bob! That's me.
Okay. Who wants to be my son? That's not how you spell who. That's not how you spell who. My son. Who wants to be my son? Well, if someone says, yeah! Yeah! He do. That is amazing grammar. Oh my god.
What? I talk like that all the time.
No, this guy, he wants to be my son. Cambo, dude. Cambo boy.
Cambo boy Elijah.
I'm just going to put, you are my son. You are my son now.
Well, he sure does.
You are my son. No, I'm just sitting right here and going, you are my son.
He is your father.
Oh, yeah. I don't think he cares. He's just like, oh, cool. Where's my son at now?
Do I have a pad in my
That's right. I heard the story over and over again. What does that have to do with my son? Where is my son?
I ate him.
Oh, what did he taste like a double-decker sandwich? My son Billy.
More than that.
So it's like a Billy Bob sandwich.
Yep, exactly.
Hey.
Exactly that.
Hey, lady, you get in your freaking seat or I will die. You will die, lady. Get in your seat. Oh, God, you're dying. Oh, she's flipping all over. She's dead. She's dead now.
She's dead.
Someone just died.
Yippee.
I think I'm like the only one. How many people on the server now?
I got a paintbrush full of glue.
Wow, everyone died and left. Even my son Billy Bob. It's just me and this girl.
Oh my god, you two are the two last people on Earth. What are you going to do?
No, there's Pilot Kelly over here.
Pilot Kelly is fake.
Kelly looks like she just ate a double-decker Billy sandwich. Show a picture of a double-decker Billy Bob sandwich. That looking thick.
That looking good.
She just spilled paint all over herself.
It's glue.
Oh, God. Did anyone else say that? I didn't see that, so what does it matter? Hey, where did she go? My only person... Where the fudge? Oh, she's like gone now.
I'm painting glue on my glue.
Did she leave? She left! I'm the only person in the game!
Oh, that is messed up, man.
Why?
Yo, you like this glue paint all over my glue bottle?
Yeah. Oh, come on, this ain't good. This is boring. Oh, what happens if I just don't go and I just stay in one place? Does the game break?
I don't know.
But I had to play this by myself because everyone's a little butthole and left. Even my son, Billy Bob.
Just leave and go onto a different server.
Okay. R.I.P. Billy Bob.
Yeah.
Yay, we are back and now we have one more person. Please don't leave me. What, you sit right there?
I thought you said you were...
Yeah, I was, but there's like one person.
And do you care? No. You do not care about that person because they do not care about you.
No,
so why should you care about them?
don't know.
Exactly.
E-Wave. I can't use emotes. I'm mad. Okay, what happens if I sit in a seat that's not mine? It won't let me sit.
Wait, didn't this thing turn into a pen? You gave me this for like Christmas, Valentine's Day, whatever this is.
Yeah, I did. Ow! I just
Oh my
exploded.
gosh, it's a stylish, but it should turn into a pen.
Wow.
Ah!
Ah.
I didn't know this part was a lid.
They almost stab you.
Yes, it did. I am thankful that it didn't.
Show a picture of me getting stabbed with a pen. That's a nice picture.
You want me to brush your hair?
I'm brushing my hair with a brush.
Yeah, it's a tiny like.
Ow, this feels like a cat licking my head. Yes. Okay, I'll go back to when we're done with this dumb freaking talking. Ow, what the frick? I miss Billy Bob.
Billy Bob, that's me.
What about Grandma Bartholomew? Do you have any stories about her?
Grandma Bartholomew loved Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, she looked like one too. She was a double-decker one. Bartholomew, the Tootsie Roll. And also, she came out of her grave looking like freaking Billy Bob.
Oh my god, now I look like a dead person?
No, Billy Bob.
Yeah, that's me.
Well, Billy. Oh my god, it's whipping. That was insane.
What the heck is it?
I'm just gonna go. Bye. Get nude. Get nudes. Did we just do a barrel roll, says me?
Bro, look, this is a thing, a little note that I put all about me.
Don't read it because
I'm stupid.
read like one thing about it that doesn't like personal information. Yeah. I licked a
I like
purse.
anime.
Oh, that's stupid. Hey.
You like Pokemon, that's basically anime. And you like Ponyo.
Ponyo, fishy in the sea. Look at these guys, they're just going through the doors. Did anyone else see that? What are you freaking
Yo, there's stickers.
Wow!
Stickers.
There's taco!
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm gonna kiss you. Mwah. Kissing little Asian.
There's more stickers.
Hallelujah.
Oh my gosh.
You sound like a 5-year-old, Mary.
I am a 5-year-old deep down inside.
Hey, look, I'm a little Arthur.
We got an alpaca.
An alpaca. Okay, well, we're waiting on Donald Trump. Donald over here. Hey, I'm gonna sit here. Sit here. What a beautiful little girl you're gonna be.
Did you just assume my gender? Oh my god, what happened?
Oh my god, where is Donald? Tell me. Where is Donald?
Hey, yo, you like this alpaca sticker on my
Oh, look. Oh, God. Who's that? What is happening?
Bro, it's like a mid-seizures. Bro, you want a sticker? I'll give
Please do everything. I don't know what you freaking said. That's all. Well, you just had a seizure while talking. That's called a talking seizure. Look at this dude.
Look at this dude.
No, look at him. Man, he looks like he just saw Billy Bob's double-decker sandwich.
Oh, no.
Oh, what are we doing? Oh, no. You freaking spilled the water. Donald. Oh, God, he's spazzing out. He's like, what's happening? What do we do? Hey, where are you going? Dude, you just ran away.
You grab a piece of dirt, you spit on it, and you rub it on the person's face.
Dude, I'm not even going to clean it up because it was that pee. Is someone peeing up?
He cleaned it up.
But there's still cups on the ground, dummy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not going to pick them up. I want to get in trouble by the president. Oh, President Donald Trump is gonna be mad. I wonder how mad Donald Trump is gonna be that like bottles are everywhere. What if Donald Trump throws me off the plane? What if Donald Trump throws me off the plane?
He won't throw you off the planet. He's the president. He's supposed to do everything.
Hey, Donald! Look at Donald. Donald looking like orange.
Well, he is orange.
Hey, Donald Trump! Look! Why you? Look at Donald. Build that brick wall. Wait, what? I'm sorry. Hey, look at me and Donald Trump. He's like doing some business. Look how inappropriate this looks. That's Donald Trump. That's me.
Oh my God! What is that word?
Penis?
No.
Ow.
What is that word whenever you have to use the bathroom? Like
Constipated. Do I have a taco on my cheek?
You got a popsicle.
Kawaii!
Did you just try to say kawaii?
Kawaii!
You know what that means?
Chicken noodle soup.
No. It means cute.
Wow. That means I'm not kawaii! I will never be kawaii.
No, you got a pink popsicle on your cheek.
Can I put it somewhere else? Can I put it on my nose?
Okay. Sorry, that's not exactly what I was
Can I put it on my...
Don't put it in your nose. Ew. I'm never going to give you one of my stickers ever again.
Okay, I won't. How about I just do this? Okay, well, you better learn... Oh, no! Don't pick me! Why do you pick me? I don't know how to cook! Ah! This is good. This is good. Double-decker. I don't know how to cook. I don't know. Why
you know how to cook ramen, right?
What do you... If you grab the wrong ingredient, I'll throw you in the trash. Oh, God, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna take this...
Keep it down, buddy.
Okay. I'm gonna die, Mary. No, I'm just gonna give him an E-wave.
Cabbage. It tells you what you need. Cabbage.
Soup needs some cabbage. Okay.
Is that cabbage?
Yeah, I think so. How do you put it in there? Okay.
There we go. The soup needs fish. Fish right there. Okay.
Soup needs
Banana. Bonino.
Come on.
Bonino.
I'm a banana. Come on, put it in there.
Cabbage again.
That's bull crap. I don't need cabbage again.
Press the yellow thing.
I'm a banana. That's right there.
That's a big butter.
Okay, good. I didn't die. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me.
Don't worry, you still got
Okay.
40 years of your life.
It looks delicious. Yay! Thank you for not killing me. Thank you, Donald. What happens if you don't take a seat?
I don't know.
I made that soup.
Yeah, so it must be awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, if I made it, it'd be even more awesome, so yeah.
I can't even eat it, Donald, so... No, it's Ronald. Ronald Reagan.
Oh my gosh.
When's the scary part? This ain't even scary, bro.
Does it say it's supposed to be scary?
Yeah, I guess. Hope you enjoyed it. I didn't even eat the soup, so how could I enjoy it? I made it. He should be meeting again for the suit. I don't care. This is where I almost died.
Don't worry, ramen noodle is better than soup. I
need to follow this dude. I don't know what to do. Dude, you're in a video. How do you feel about that? I'm just gonna...
Man, I bet if you told him, he'd be excited.
Yeah, but he'll hate me after he sees what the video is. I called him a double-decker Billy Bob Sanders.
Welcome to the computer.
Use this room to protect any cybernetic
attack.
The president is waiting in a presidential suit. I don't know where that is.
In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code.
How am I supposed to?
Good luck, hackers.
I don't know how to figure out the code.
You are a hacker. It will help you tell you what to do.
I don't understand. Okay.
Oh.
Do you make it green? Come on. Change it.
Oh my god.
Oh, let me check it.
Oh, you were just on it. There you go.
You stupid. I'm gonna die, idiot.
You're not timed, so. There you go.
There we go. I'm gonna leave. You're so stupid. You're still going. Hey, Ronald.
Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Meet with the president in the next room.
It's right here. Are you in the room? Here? Wait, you can go back and watch it.
Yo, this was my middle school in 7th grade. Man, I haven't seen this in a long time.
Wow.
I didn't even go to this school. Why do I even have this? I don't even know any of these people.
Oh my god, his face. Any of our special guests let you be?
No, some of these people are gross looking.
Just like the people in my school.
Well, this is a special state that we be living in.
Yeah, we're not telling you the state. It's called America.
You're so stupid sometimes.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to tell you where I live. I live in America. That's all I'm going to give you.
Yo, this dude be looking like a hippie.
I was looking at this dude at first.
No, look at this person. Look at this person. Right here.
Oh, God. We should show pictures of these people.
No.
Alright, we're gonna ruin their reputation. Okay, where's the scary part? Dude, where's the scary part? Oh, I'm coming out of your chest.
Look.
Look, I'm coming out of his chest. Look, this is a scene from Alien. No, like, men says ugly Arthro.
Look, I found Jez. That's the only person I know.
Jessica Rabbit.
She's my favorite character.
Wait, this is a scary part, Mary.
Scary.
Yes. It's nighttime already? Yes. I miss old Grandma Bartholomew died.
Grandma Bartholomew.
I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that's guys, the curtain.
Look.
What's in the curtain? Oh God!
Look, this girl be looking like a guy.
Dude, this is scary. Oh God! Look at that! Look at that! Oh God!
Oh, wow.
I'm leaving. I'm out of here.
Wait, I know that one
XD.
person.
Oh no! Yeah. Let me out. It's the monster. What monster? I didn't even get out of here. Let me out.
Oh, now I know that person.
Did you forget about me? Yes, I did. I don't even know who you are.
Oh, yeah. I forgot
Oh, God.
you were standing right
Fire!
next
Yeah. Run.
Yo, that person go to my high school.
Run. Where do we go? Where do we go? Run, 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 run. Yeah, we need to run because there's a fire. Keep going, dude. I don't know where you are. Baby. Do Petro. Well, we're going to be playing this until it ends. This video might be like 20.
Do you know any of these people? You want me to rip out that tooth of yours?
No. Show a picture of my tooth. See, it's all messed up.
Oh, I remember this kid. Jess had a big crush on him. But then she realized he's a total dummy.
Oh, God. Look, it's a fire. Oh, God. It's like, it's lava, lava.
Oh, my God.
Bro, I be following this guy, and he's, like, letting me win. I'm happy about this. I might win.
Yeah, whenever somebody lets you win, yeah. I don't like it whenever people
No,
let me
like, he's played it, but he helps me, like, find where I should go. Look, I know the code. Look, it's...
Billy Post probably looking like she's on drugs.
I've seen that. I've seen that girl. I've seen her. She looks like she's eating like 20 Billy Bob sandwiches. Show a picture of a fat girl. That's what she looks like. She looking like she just ate Billy Bob.
We actually gonna show. Look, bro, these are Jess's brothers.
Something terrible is happening on this plane. No dip. There's a scary monster, and it just freaking the floor's lava happened. I'm gonna go to the Violet Cabin.
Oh my God, what is that? What is that? Is that kid trying to do a dab?
Oh no, it looks like a Honey Boo Boo.
Oh my God.
I want to show. Should we show a picture of these kids? Like just this Honey Boo Boo chick.
I don't know. We might as well just say every single name that we shout out and show the picture. Wait, I think I know that kid. That kid looks familiar. I don't know.
Ew, he looks like a hippie. He looks like a...
You are a hippie.
I'm a hippie. Peace, dude.
You're like Hyde from that 70s show.
I'm Hydra Man. Look at this girl. I'm dying!
Be quiet.
No, I died.
Spores.
Well,
Voyager.
that's the end of the
People in
video.
8th grade.
Peace out, home dogs.